Okay, so to uninstall the app, just long press on the app, and then depending on your operating system, you're gonna see different things. So in my case, I have an Android, and what I have to do is just drag it to the top, and then drop it on top of uninstall, and then I would have to hit OK, and the app would get uninstalled. Now, sometimes if you have a Samsung, for example, you might see something like this. So tap on uninstall and you should be fine. If you have an iPhone, tap on remove app, or if you don't see the pop-up, just go to settings and then go to general, iPhone storage, then find the app in the list and then press the delete button, and that should be it. Now I'm going to show you how to uninstall it on an Android if you don't have the model, the pop-up. So go to settings right here, then go to apps, and then find the app, and just tap on uninstall and hit OK, and that should be it. Yeah, that's it.